I am directed to refer to Services and General Administration Department's circular letter, dated the 13th October, 1966, on the subject noted above, and to say that this department is still receiving proposals from the administrative departments for the approval of ad hoc appointments, full stop, sanctions about the creation of new posts by the finance department for the next financial year, are finalized in the month of February, each year, full stop. Similarly, the vacancies due to retirement in the next financial year can be anticipated in the same month, as decisions about extension slash retirement have to be taken well in advance, full stop. This gives ample time to the appointing authorities to get the selection for the vacancies finalized well in time, full stop. But unfortunately, this is not being done in some departments, full stop. They approach this department at the last moment for ad hoc appointments, full stop. This practice has to be stopped, full stop. The delay on the part of defaulting appointing authorities slash administrative departments in making requisitions to the public service committee creates a situation, in which they have to approach this department for making ad hoc appointments, full stop, to meet this situation, which is a result of past inactivity. It may be necessary to consider any proposals for a transactional period of 6 months, for which a special procedure is hereby prescribed after consultation with the chairman, Public Service Commission, full stop. In future, the administrative secretaries are requested to prepare a summary of all pending cases, where they feel that ad hoc appointments should be made, full stop. A copy of the summary should be sent along with the requisition to the chairman, Public Service Commission should be contacted by Secretary, Administrative Department over the telephone to fix a meeting for discussion of the summary with him and the representative of the Services and General Administration Department, full stop. The object of this meeting would be to remove the bottlenecks, which are likely to delay the advice of the Public Service Commission, and also to assess how far ad hoc appointments is justified, full stop. Very brief minutes of the meeting will be prepared during the meeting and signed by the participant, full stop. If a case for ad hoc appointment is made out in the meeting, the administrative department would then send the proposal to Services and General Administration Department for making ad hoc appointment, along with a signed copy of the minutes of the meeting, full stop. The Services and General Administration Department would then consider the question of making ad hoc appointments for a short period, not exceeding 6 months, full stop. This period would be utilized to get the advice of the Public Service Commission for making regular appointments, full stop. Generally, this period will not be extended.